So what's waiting for you here is a beautiful walking track where you can see different species of trees being planted and some paddy which has been grown on the either sides. It's a beautiful place, and check out this pond here which has been a source of water for this farm, and like this there are 3 such ponds, and the temperature is usually 3 degrees lesser than outside. And if you see the water which is seeping into the pond, yeah, it's just flowing into the pond. It's so nice. And this is a beautiful water catchment. It's a real good water catchment, and we are here. So hope to meet you this Sunday on 20th November at 9:30 AM for the Canopy Tales workshop on probiotics and bioenzymes. Thank you so much.